So I knew I was going to have a knee replacement because I had a injury from playing college lacrosse. So I've been a physical therapist since 1979, and I have worked with a lot of total knee replacements. One of the things that is different about this one compared to one that would be an off the shelf is that this knee is not symmetrical. This is my knee. I can tell. First of all, it has my name on it and my serial number, and it fits to a T. And when I went to bend my knee the first time, it was as smooth as butter. That just brought tears to my eyes because as a physical therapist, I remember struggling with patients to get that much range of motion. I mean, there's no guesswork. When you know that you have behind you all the technology and the science of making that custom knee, it made it go easier. And that's why your rehab is so much quicker. And when you don't think about your knee anymore, that's when you know it's really awesome. Because it's part of you. It is emotional. That's crazy. Yeah, I can do anything I want to. I love that.
Oh yeah, I see a completely different woman. She's still the same woman, but she's stronger and she's confident.
Yeah.
And now she not only talks the talk, but she also walks the walk.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
That's been amazing. Life-changing. This is my knee, and it has changed my life.